Why are you still buying vegetables when you can grow unlimited fresh food at home? This simple method can save you money forever. If your vegetables keep dying, you're making this one mistake. Fix it today, and your garden will grow all year long. No backyard? No problem. You can grow fresh vegetables 365 days a year, even in the smallest space. Healthy soil is the secret. If your soil is alive, your vegetables will thrive. Not all seeds grow year-round. Choose the right varieties for continuous harvest.
Vegetables need 6-8 hours of sunlight. Place them right and watch them explode with growth.
Too much water kills faster than too little. Water smart, not more. No land? Containers can grow almost any vegetable. Just use the right size. Grow up, not out. Vertical gardening multiplies your harvest in small spaces. Your kitchen waste is gold. Turn it into compost for free fertilizer. Switch crops every season to keep your soil healthy and productive. Some vegetables grow in weeks, perfect for quick and continuous harvests.
Avoid chemicals. Natural pest control keeps your food safe and organic.
Raised beds improve drainage and boost plant growth instantly.
Even indoors, you can grow fresh vegetables with enough light.
Add herbs to your garden. They grow fast and enhance every meal. Mulch keeps soil moist and protects plants from extreme weather. Use drip watering to save water and grow healthier plants. Grow bags are cheap, portable, and perfect for beginners. Start seeds indoors for stronger, faster-growing plants. Harvest at the right time for maximum flavor and growth.
Did you know? You can regrow vegetables from kitchen scraps.
Protect your plants from extreme heat and cold to grow all year. Small daily care leads to big harvests. Grow your own food, save money, and enjoy fresh vegetables every single day.